Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will cover the methods to find the square of any number. Methods to find the square of any number. There are two methods. First is column method. And second we have diagonal method. Suppose we have to find the square of any single digit number like 7. What we will do is we will simply multiply 7 multiplied by 7 and we will get the answer 49. But what if we have to find the square of two digit number like 23? Either we will need to remember the values or we will multiply 23 by 23 and get the value. First is column method. So let us understand by example. Suppose we have to find the square of 23 using column method. So we will first make columns, 3 columns over here, 1, 2 and 3. And the formula here is a square 2ab and b square. So we will denote unit digit by b and we will denote tens digit by a. We will put the value here. B square, that is 3 square, 9. 2 into a, b. 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 3, it will be 12 here. And a square is the square of 2, which is 4 here. In the next step, what will we do is, we will write here unit digit. Here we have unit digit 9, so we will write unit digit here. And the tens digit we will add to the next column. So here the tens digit is 0, so we don't need to add here. In the second column, we have two digit number 12. So the unit digit is 2, so we will keep 2 here and the tens digit we will add in the first row. 4 plus 1, 5. Thus the square of 23 is 529. Similarly, we can find the square of any two digit number using column method. Now let us move to the diagonal method and find out how we can find the values using this method. Let us understand with an example. Suppose we have to find the square of 76 here. The first thing which we need to do is we will first count the digit of the number. We have here two digit numbers, so we will make 2 rows and 2 columns. If we have 3 digit number, then we will make 3 rows and 3 columns. So here it is 2, we will make 2 columns and 2 rows like this. The next step is we will cut diagonally the boxes into half. Step 3 is we will write the numbers over here. And step 4 is we will multiply these numbers. 7 multiplied by 7 is 49. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42 again. And 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So here you can see 4 rows. This is row number 1, this is row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4. One by one we will calculate all the rows. In row 1 it is only, in row 1 the value is 6, one digit number, that is 6. So we will simply write 6 here. In row 2 we have 3 values, so we will add all the values. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. In row 3 we have 3 values, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. So we will write here 17. We will keep the unit digit and the tens digit we will add in the next row. plus 1. So here 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, starting from the fourth row, we will write all the unit digits in order and know the answer here. The fourth row contains value 5, third row contains value 7, the second row contains values again 7, and the first row we have value 6. So this is the square of number 76, 5776. So this is the diagonal method using which we can find the square of any number. We just need to add the rows and columns accordingly. That's all for the video. Hope you have understood. And from now, you can find the square of any number very easily using these two methods. That's all for the video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.